Hey, you're a big man. What you on about? You're a big man. Let's have a roast battle. Okay, I start first. 10 tickets, 3 is 7. Time to send it to heaven. Oh! Bro, come on, man. Come on. Okay, I'll start now. 2 plus 2 is 4. Why so poor? Oh! Nah, boy, listen. I went to McDonald's. I got a Big Mac. Why? It was for your mom because she was too fat. Oh! Nah, dude, come on, man. Nah, come on, I'll do it now. Unzip your jacket. I put in a packet. Oh! Yo, boy, why you copying Z-Ducks for? Man, just be quiet. Just be quiet now. I'll do a roast now. When your mom try and hit you, she never hit you. She hit herself. Oh! That punch made you very frightened. That's why your mom called me Mike Tyson. Oh!